Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class of class 6, where we have already started a chapter Desert Animals, and from page number 113, first paragraph onwards, we have to continue. So, let's start where we left in the previous one. Most snakes lay eggs, but there are many which give birth to their young. Generally, snakes lays egg, but some of the snakes give birth to their young ones also. In the dry, rocky deserts of America lives a rather evil-looking snakes with a very bad reputation. In rocky deserts, already if the snake belongs to a very dry area, that is supposed to be extremely dangerous. So, rocky desert of America lives rather evil looking snakes, meaning horrible snakes, and their reputation is very bad. It means they are extremely venomous, dangerous. Its fighting rattle can be heard as far as 30 meters away, and it can strike with linguistic speed. See, there's this such a tails are very dangerous. And you can hear their sound from very far away. But the rattlesnake or rattler, as it is sometimes called, prefers to avoid people if it is possibly can. Though rattlesnakes are extremely dangerous, but at the same time they also try to avoid human being if it is possible. Meaning they are also not comfortable in human beings' surroundings, and they try to save themselves, secure themselves from human being. It holds its tail upright and rattles the end whenever it is disturbed. Whenever they are disturbed, they use their tail to support them in the hope that the intruder will go away. Did so with hopefully in this hope that the intruder, meaning whosoever was coming in between their way, they would leave, they would move. However, if its warning are ignored and it feel threatened, it will coil ready to bite. But they are really very dangerous, and if they have given you any warning and you cannot understand, then they will not hesitate to bite you. But the rattler itself cannot hear the noise its own tail makes. Though the snake rattler makes a lot of noise, but they are unable to hear the sound created by them. Like most snakes, it hears things through vibrations in the ground. As most of the snake, they are unable to hear, but they are able to feel the vibrations. They are also in the same category. If a person walks nearby, the snake can feel the movement. But if the same person were to shout, it would not hear a thing. One example is given: if the person is going nearby to the snake, definitely then some vibration will be there with the footsteps. That time snake would be able about their presence. But if they will shout, then snake is not going to guess the movement. It would, yes, rattlesnakes are very common and widespread animals living right across the American continent from Canada to Argentina. From Canada to Argentina, they are spread. Rattlesnakes spread. They feed on a variety of prey, including mice, voles, rats, chimpak, and many other small animals. Rattlesnakes are capable to eat so many different animals, so insects. Rattlesnakes kill their prey with venom. See this, as venom is the power of snake. So they are killing their prey with their venom, poison. Like all snakes, they swallow the unfortunate animals whole. Few snakes have to eat more than once a week, and some, such as the larger pythons, can survive for a year or more without eating. A rattlesnake can eat once in a week, and that is enough for him because it is able to keep one's prey directly into his mouth. And there are some snakes, those are eating once in a year only. Thank you everyone.